right, how you doing? This is day 11? I don't know. Look at that farging mess behind me, man. All right, so before I can do anything, I got to get a lot of this crap out from up here. And once I get it moved out, I'll go ahead and put this wall in. And then I've got some, you can see here on this side, we've got some patchwork to do and up. Here's the closet area. We've got to get that built. But before I can start mudding, man, a lot of this garbage has got to come out. So what I'm going to do is put my camera up high into my little mount here. I'll show you what it looks like. Hang on a minute. Yeah, I can't afford to get me a decent one, so we're going to basically set the camera right up inside this cradle. And we'll reverse the image. You gotta improvise, overcome, and adapt. Besides, I'm gonna time lapse the rest of this mess. It's gonna be fun. Oh my gosh. Them stairs kicked my butt. Thank goodness for no caffeine mug root beer. Yeah. It's enough to tickle the taste buds. Whoo-wee! Stairs are whooping me, man. But I got a lot of the boxes out of here, so I guess got a few more trips, man. I'm golden. All right, that's it for one day, folks. I am whooped, and I'll show you what I got done. Let me turn the camera around. All right. So you know this is the stairwell. Right here, we're looking at the bathroom. Real crappy job right in there on my part. That's why God invented mud. All right, you can see here we got a lot of the stuff taken downstairs. I still have a lot more to take down, but I got to clear out space so I can go to town on the mud. Then today I put got the short strip. Okay, Got that in, and then give you an idea from this view. All right, you sort of see in the picture now. So it's where a man's got to go pinch one. You can go in there, and then right in this location, I have an L-shaped desk that's going to fit, and that's going to be the office area. And then I'm thinking over here, this desk is going to go downstairs into my basement in the house to build models and stuff on. But I'm thinking we're going to put a flat screen right up on that wall right there, and then drop a couch right here, and that provides a nice open floor space and just have a beautiful view out front. Well, cheers. Well, there's another day down, another one for the history books. I am pooped, folks. Yeah. We're getting there, man. One little piece at a time, right? So I hope you like watching the time-lapse video. I gotta thank Jeremy. Jeremy came over last night and did a whole lot of work for me while I ran to the store for my daughter. And he knocked out pretty much, that whole side plus the portion of the bathroom. And then, but I'm so tired of working around everything. I had to find room downstairs and moved a bunch of crap. And it's getting there. Tomorrow, I have 2 small pieces to put up over here behind you, and you can't see it. And then I've got enough sheetrock, I think, to do the majority of the bathroom. So I'll see about, I'm not sure yet if I'm going to try to knock that out, but I got to go pick up corner bead for the both outside and inside. They do have a 45 degree-ish inside round corner bead that I can use for all of my points, okay? So I can give you a nice straight line as I mud. So we're gonna look at that and pick that up and probably do that tomorrow. And then we'll continue on with another episode. So I hope you enjoyed it. All right, have a good night, folks.